Yeah man. We there in the studio, I sound music. We go do something crazy here, something mad. Chairman, I should go in. To roll back keyboard, man.
Yeah man, do your own things, man.
Yeah man.